Hi folks, and welcome to Schick Happens. In today's episode, I'm going to install some window tint on some cupboard doors that we have in the kitchen. The wife asked me to do this about 6 years ago, and I'm just finally getting around to doing it. But anyway, she ordered this online, and from where, I don't know, and how much she paid, I don't have a clue. This isn't a how-to on ordering window tint. It's a video on me trying to install it. Those aren't my Pop-Tarts. Those are the grade kids. So the first thing I need to do is pop these windows out. It looks like there's 6 cleats that's holding this panel in with a real small Phillips head. So let's get these out of here first. Alright, one down and one to go. And I haven't broke anything yet. That's always a good sign. So typically I don't read the instructions when I'm working on anything. Usually it's the first thing I pitch. But that would also explain why I'm horrible at putting things together. But I do think in this instance it would behoove me to go through these thoroughly before attempting to put this tint on. So according to the instruction manual, the first thing that I need to do is get these windows cleaned. I'll do that now. So according to the instructions, step 2 is get a measurement on the windows. So we have 24.5 inches by 11 inches. Measure and cut film. I guess we'll do that next. So step 4, wet window, more water, more better. More water, more better. I just so happen to have a bottle of more better water. Step 5, peel off backing of film. In step 6, position film and squeeze out bubbles. And there you have it. I have the first one done. I'm going to go ahead and insert this back in the panel and do the second one.
More water, more better. More water, more better.
And there you have it. Now this was just a lightly frosted tint. I'm sure that you can get these in a variety of shades to whatever suits your liking. But anyway, this was a project I needed to do this weekend, and I figured, what the heck, I'll film it just in case someone else needs to do the same thing down the road. They can watch an easy to follow video. So thanks for joining me here today on Schick Happens, and until next time, cheers.